Tashidele. It is a great honor to join you here today for this day of commemoration of the Tibetan Uprising so many years ago, 1959, on the 10th of March. And this day is a commemoration. It's a day to remember the sacrifice of Tibetans back then in 1959, but obviously it is a sacrifice that continues to this day, and it is so impressive to see this Tibetan Uprising Day dedicated to those who have most recently given their lives in this important struggle. It is also a struggle that you take on every day by being here publicly, as you do so many times, to defend democracy, human rights, the freedom to practice religion, the freedom to practice your culture. You also show courage by taking on that effort each and every day. Today is a day also to recognize how far Tibetans have come. I think about the world recognition of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, who we are so honored to have as an honorary Canadian citizen. Thank you again for sharing His Holiness with us. But we also recognize the step forward by electing Dr. Lobsang Sangye as the Tibetan leader in exile. And it was a great honor to meet Dr. Sangye again recently in Ottawa, and to be able to spend time with him. He is a very impressive leader and advocate for Tibetans around the world. Congratulations on his leadership. I also want to echo the words of Kenseng Tenzin, who spoke so eloquently earlier about the importance of the role of each and every Tibetan and Tibetan supporter here in Canada, but especially the role of children. And the children who are here today, the importance of learning Tibetan culture, Tibetan history, the Tibetan language, and the importance of standing up for democracy and human rights, basic freedoms that people everywhere in the world deserve to enjoy. And we hope that those freedoms will come sooner rather than later for the people of Tibet, and that the children of today will enjoy those freedoms sooner rather than later, and be able to enjoy full citizenship and rights in their homeland. So I want to salute you today. I want to pledge as a parliamentarian my solidarity, our solidarity, and we are working across all political parties in our parliament to press for freedoms in Tibet. We believe that the Office of Religious Freedoms, the officer, should be visiting Tibet and be able to inspect and investigate and shine a light on what is happening there today. And we will work across all parties to try to make that happen. So thank you very much for being here. We're with you in solidarity. Pugalo.